Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to St. Joseph's Academy's online classes. Today, we are going to do the revision of lesson 15 and 16 of your book Social Studies, class 3rd. First, we will revise the chapters little bit. So, I will give you a short summary of both the chapters and then we will complete the worksheet given in the slides. Our chapter 15 is the Earth and the solar system. So first we need to know what is solar system. So the sun, 8 planets, asteroids, comets and all other heavenly bodies that move around the sun collectively form the solar system. The sun is at the center of the solar system and all other planets revolve around the sun on their own definite path. They don't come in each other's way. They move, they rotate on their own elliptical path. In short, the members of the solar system are the sun, planets, satellite, artificial satellite and natural satellites, both asteroids, meteors and meteorites and comets. Sun is a huge ball of hot and burning gases. It is the largest celestial body in the solar system and it is the nearest star to the earth. The planets do not have their own heat and light. They get heat and light from the sun, because sun is at the center of the solar system. Mercury is the innermost planet and closest to the sun, as you can see in the picture. Mercury does not have any satellite and it is the fastest moving planet. It is the smallest planet in the solar system, but the speed of its rotation is very high. Like every planet has its own speed of rotating. This planet is having very high speed of rotation. Venus is also known as the morning and evening star because at both the time you can see it very clearly even at the daytime. Earth is the third planet from the sun. As you can see on the left picture, blue color planet, this is Earth. So it is the third planet from the sun and it is also called blue planet. As you can see in the picture, the color is blue because of the presence of water on it. And it is the only habitable planet which supports life. Mars is also called the dead planet. Why? Because it assumes a brick-like color, means slightly reddish, as you can see in the picture. In the night sky, it has 2 satellites. And what is the name of the satellites? Deimos and Phobos. The big planet you can see is Jupiter, which is white and yellowish in color. It is the largest planet in the solar system and it has 63 satellites. Earth doesn't have a satellite. Earth have only one natural satellite and that is Moon. Saturn is the second largest planet in the solar system. As you can see in the picture, there is the last planet which is having a ring around it. This is Saturn. So if you see after Jupiter, Saturn is the second biggest planet. It has about 22 satellites and Titan is the largest satellite. Titan is bigger than many planets. And like Venus, Uranus also revolves from east to west, means these 2 planets move from east to west while all other planets move from west to east. It has about 17 satellites and it is one of the coldest planet. The weather is too cold here. The tiny twinkling objects that appear in the night sky are called the stars. As you can see in the picture, few small little things are twinkling. These are stars, and the group of stars that has a definite pattern is known as constellation. Some important facts about the Earth. As we live on the planet Earth, so we need to know things in detail about planet Earth. The Earth is a unique planet in the solar system. This is the only known planet on which life in the form of human beings, animals and plants is found. It is a habitable planet. The distance from the sun makes the Earth neither too hot nor too cold, because it is at the perfect distance. Because it will be, if it will be too close, it will burn. If it will be too far away, it will remain cold, because the heat of the sunlight will not reach the Earth easily. The Earth has the most favorable condition for the survival of life. The Earth's atmosphere is rich in oxygen and carbon dioxide. So all the living beings need to live oxygen, because we breathe in oxygen, and what we leave? Carbon dioxide. All the plants need carbon dioxide to make their food with the help of sunlight, and both these gases are available in the atmosphere in plenty. Due to the presence of the atmosphere, we can hear sounds on the Earth. All types of climatic changes occur due to the atmosphere. The atmosphere acts as a blanket by preventing all the heat from escaping. Thus, it keeps the temperature warm at night, because night moon comes and moon is very cold. So, we need some heat, and that heat atmosphere provides us, as it prevents the heat from escaping. Aristotle and Copernicus opined that the Earth is spherical in shape. These both were very old thinkers, and they used to think that Earth is spherical in shape. But according to modern science, or with the time, the scientists find out that due to its rotation, the Earth is slightly bulging at the equator and flattened at the poles. So it is not completely spherical. Now this is today's worksheet, which I will be reading for you. I will send the same worksheet to you on portal and MS Team both. You have to solve this in your social studies copy. So first question is, choose the correct option to the answer the following questions correctly. The first question is, the word planet means. We have three options. You have to take the correct one. Followers, attendants and wanderers. Question number 2. Which planet is called the largest planet? Again we have three options: Jupiter, Saturn and Mars. You have to tick the correct planet. Number 3. The atmosphere protects us from the extremes of temperature, oxygen or carbon dioxide. So you have to tick the correct answer. The Earth is slightly bulging at the poles, equator nowhere. So just now I told you Earth is slightly bulging at one place. You have to think about that and tick it. Number 5. Which is the third planet in distance from the Sun? Answer of this also I told you with picture, and I showed you also. So the third planet is Venus, Earth or Neptune. You have to choose the correct planet and tick it. Our second question is question number 2. Write true or false. The first question is, the Earth is not a habitable planet. If Earth is not habitable, then what is habitable? Earth have oxygen, carbon dioxide, water, plants, everything. So you have to tell whether it's true or false. Number 2. Rivers and lakes contain 75% of the Earth's fresh water. Now, what contains 75% of Earth's fresh water? Fresh water means water which we can drink. And if rivers and lakes contain 75% of the Earth's water, then how much the sea and oceans contain? Find out the answer. Number 3. soil is the most significant part of the earth's surface. Is it so? How do we grow the plants? How do we grow the crops, the trees, everything? Because of the soil. So you have to find out how important it is. Number 4, Jupiter is the second largest planet in the solar system. Answer of this you can find out by seeing the picture. Which is the largest planet in the picture? You can easily find out whether it is true or false. Number 5, Neptune is the farthest planet from the Sun. So I already told you which is the farthest, which is the closest, at which number which planet stands. You have to find out the correct answer. Question number 3, fill in the blanks. The first question is, there are dash planets in the solar system. So how many planets are there? We have to write. Number 2, dash does not have any satellite. So which planet does not have any satellite? You have to tell. Number 3, the Sun is at the dash of the solar system. You have to tell the place of the Sun in solar system. Number 4, oxygen is essential to what? Number 5, the atmosphere acts as a dash for the earth. So how an atmosphere acts? You have to write. Question number 4, correctly match column A with column B. The earth has no. The earth is also called the earth is the home to Mars, Mercury. And we have same number of options. We have to choose the correct option and write in front of the question. Blue planet, mankind, heat and light of its own. The closest planet to the Sun has 2 satellites. Don't match with the lines. Write the correct answer in front of the question. Comes question answers. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. Define the term planet. You have to answer what is planet. Question number 2. How many planets are there in the solar system? Write down their names. You have to tell the number of the planets and their names. Number 3. Write in brief about the following. 2 topics are there. Jupiter and Venus. You have to write about them. Question number 4, where does the earth get heat from? So you have to tell the source of heat of earth. Number 5, write in brief about the shape of the earth. This I have already explained you in the summary also. You have to tell the exact shape of the earth. Now this is time for homework. Revise lesson 17 and 18 because next test I will be giving of 17 and 18. Complete the worksheet in your social studies copy as I have already instructed you, and watch this video again so that you can go through all the points again and understand them well. Best of luck for your revision test. Our revision test end here. I will send this worksheet to you. You have to write this neatly in your copy. No need to write all the 3 options for the MCQs. Write only the correct option. Don't do matching with the lines. Write the correct answer in front of the question. Revise the next chapter nicely. Again we will meet in the next video with the next revision test. Till then, bye-bye and take care of your health. Stay safe. Be safe.